Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. It's D's Daily DD. You already know. I hope you got some food or some drinks or took a shot or something, right? Whatever you needed to listen and tune into the earnings call, the AMC earnings call. I know I did. There's a lot of stuff that was in there, so I'm just going to try to point out the key points, the stuff that I liked, and going forward, what my thought process is, right, on AMC. So if you didn't see part one earlier, I uploaded a video earlier. That's part one. Now this is going to be part two. So I will continue the call and talk about what happened in the earnings call right now. Okay, so let's switch over to Keynote real quick. And I took some notes during the earnings call. So let's start with the one on top. So it looks like they had really strong attendance, and that's shout out to you apes, right? All the apes out there supporting the company, supporting your investment, and going out and watching all those awesome movies that came out. I know I went once or twice. I saw a couple of those. So the past 3 months, as the vaccines rolled out, they tend to see more people, right? The more people get vaccinated and so on, and the fear and all that is going away for you know what. So they actually beat earnings. The EPS that came in was negative 44 cents. The expected was negative 53 cents. Okay, and then on revenue, this is where I liked it. And again, shout out to all the apes because we know it's you guys and it's us that are filling these theaters. So the 763 million versus this right here, this where I got this number says 720, but I think it was 702 million. But it's one of those. We still beat, right? So they are profiting from the food and beverage programs, is what it seems that Adam is reporting, and the accountants, right? So AMC is seeing that people, when they go to the movies, they're also buying the popcorn and the candy and the sodas and all that stuff, and it seems to be bringing in more dollars, right? And then the next cool thing that I thought that I really stuck out to me was that AMC is gonna accept Shiba Inu crypto coin as payment, right? As Adam said on there, and I think that's super cool. I'm still holding for sure Shiba, that's one of my favorite cryptos. So maybe we'll see some action there in Shiba too, right? Oh, okay. And then he said that on starting on Friday, that's what I remember. Maybe it's tomorrow, but they will cross the $2 billion mark, he's saying, within the door, which is going to boost liquidity, right? The whole story for the shorts that these guys are running out of money, are going to go bankrupt. Man, I would be scared for them, right? The whole narrative of them running out of money, like they're explaining, I mean, they're not out of the woods yet, but just be ready for the FUD that's coming because they're doing okay. Like what I noticed is that he said they don't have any real serious debt that's due until 2026. So that gives them a good amount of time, right? So the big news that I saw is that they have the highest amount of liquidity ever, and it's still increasing in history, guys. Like, thanks to us, thanks to everybody who puts their money in and goes and watches the movies, they have money now sitting in the bank, right? And they have to decide what to do next with that money. They have a plan. That's what I really like, is to manage their debt. Also, there will be a lot of FUD that comes out because Adam, he stated, he's going to be selling some shares, but he's still a major shareholder. And the FUD that's going to come out, I guarantee, is going to say something about dilution, something about the CEO selling. So in the past, like AMC has gone red after the earnings, right, for a little bit. And then we tend to see a huge jump after that. So who knows what can happen next, but you never know, right, what can happen. And then what's really cool too to me is that AMC merchandise is going to be coming out. And another possible big news right here that we got is the NFT, right? The hype on NFT is there right now. They kept asking them if they're going to join up with GameStop to do something with the NFTs. And I think that stuff is all coming, guys. So for sure, if I see some AMC merchandise, I definitely would buy a shirt or a hat, to rock it out because it's our company, right, guys? Cool. So those are the notes that I had on there. Let's move over to the chart real quick. And I'm trying to get this out to you guys as fast as possible, as soon as possible, so you know and you're up to date. If you want to, share this video, share the link, whatever, all that stuff, hit the like, leave something in the comments. I see you apes, and the community is what really does it for me, right? So I'll keep reporting for you guys. I'll keep searching for data to bring to you guys because I'm loving this community and I am part of the community, right? So let's grow together. And this is what I want you guys to look at right here. This is still following the technical pattern. Even though we saw some red after hours, you know, you never want to take after hours too serious because the volume is very low compared to what the average volume is during the trading hours, if that makes sense. So again, if you look here, you know, we're still on the way up here. It makes sense where we're sitting right now because of this zone here. So I drew this Fibonacci, the orange extension earlier today. And then, so you can look at that. And then if we move over, let me prop this up. Go to order flow. You can see, holy crap, there was a ton of large orders today. So I'm telling you, institutions are picking up shares, right? So we're talking about 5.11 versus 0. That guys, no big orders were sold today. That's really good. Medium was 440 to 435. So that was also bigger. And then we had a small, which is retail. They were scooping up shares too. That's what I'm talking about. So 136 to 118 in the small. That is what's up. That's all I got for you guys. Tomorrow we can get back to covering a couple more stocks. If you guys want me to cover anything else, right? Like I've been hearing of Loopring. I've been hearing of you know, Cardano. I've been on Shiba. If you want more Shiba information, let me know what you guys want to hear about, and I will dig into it. Okay, I'm here for you guys. Gracias. Thank you for everything, and peace. See you guys on the next one.